Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Poco M3 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So first you should go to the settings and scroll down to the sounds and vibration section. Now just here you get the notifications, or also you get here the calls, reminds and notifications volume panel. You can just swipe here to the left side and your ringtone, reminders and notifications will be muted. But if you want just to mute only notifications, you can go here to this section, here tap to the all ringtones, and you can here tap to don't send the ringtone. Oh sorry, well that's yeah, that's notifications, and you can don't send the ringtone. And now in this case you will just mute only your notifications. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.